Happy Tuesday, peeps. I'm just kidding. It's really Monday here. I'm in the classroom. The students are probably like, everybody want to see Rhonda? Hey. Um, Shut up, Christian. Okay. I'm not here today, obviously. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday, but I'm just gonna do a couple of problems with you just for a reminder, but you did this on Friday, okay? So you can see that there are two different types of forms on here. You guys are gonna have your quiz sometime at the beginning of next week. One is vertex form and one is standard form. Okay, so if you would like to follow me over here. Okay, vertex form, and I know you can hardly see it, it's kind of funky. Vertex form, and it'll still be up here, but has parentheses. That is the distinguishing thing, okay? And we do the opposite for the vertex, and then we keep it the same. Okay, the standard form is the longer one, where you need to do the negative b over 2a, okay? And that one does not have any parentheses. Okay, and so we're just gonna do a couple here on the board, and then the rest will be your guys's to work through. Okay, so we can look at number one and see, is it vertex or standard form? And you can clearly see that it's vertex form. Okay, and so we can pick out the vertex. Okay, well, we do the opposite. So instead of -4, it's going to be a +4, and we keep it the same, so -4. So 4, -4, and we can ask ourselves, does this have a slope, or does it open up or down? Okay, we know that it opens down because that negative out front. Okay, and so because there's no slope, we just do the general, we go down 1 over 1, and we go down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, and so here we got our graph, okay, and the axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 4. X-intercepts, there's none. Y-intercepts, there's none. Min or a max, it's a max. Solutions is going to be none. And then we need a description, okay? And so from the description, we always start at 0, 0, which is right here. So we had to go down 4, right 4, down 4, right 4, and then if it opens down, so we're going to say opens down, and then we say, well, is there a slope? Okay, and on this one, no, there's not a slope. So we are finished, okay? And I know this is going really fast, okay? So feel free to pause it and work at your own pace. I have it going fast intentionally because I'm trying to go fast. Okay, so we can see that this one is in standard form, and so standard form, we need to use the formula, negative b over 2 times our a. Okay, so it's going to be negative 8 over 2, and my a in this case is 1. Okay, then you make your chart. Okay, so my first number is going to be -4, and then we pick 2 more, so it's going to be -5, -6. Okay, and then we can plug it in. So, and just a reminder, so everywhere there's so it should look like this. Everywhere there's an x, we should be putting in a -4. Okay, and you can see that there's only 2 x's, one right there and right there. Okay, so -4 squared plus 8 times -4 plus 15. You should get -1. Zero. And 3. Okay, so we got a -4, -1, -5, 0, and -6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so we can map our graph over to the other side. Okay, and as I said, feel free to pause. Okay, so there's our graph. Okay, our vertex is going to be the first one, so -4, -1. Axis of symmetry, x equals -4. X-intercepts are -3 and -5. Okay, our y-intercepts, there's none. This one has a min. Okay, our solutions are the same as our intercepts, so -3, -5. And then for our description, we got to go down 1, left 4. And does it open up or down? If it opens down, you need to say, and does it have a slope? And the slope would be right here if there was one. In this case, there isn't one, okay? It would be the a value, or the number in front of the x, okay? 5, so, you got negative b over 2 times our a, so it should be, oh, never mind, this is in vertex form. Okay, so vertex form, we can plot our vertex, so 2, actually, I'm gonna have to pause this, I'm sorry.